I'm like, back in the day, me and you, baby, we used to have fun.
Hey, does anyone have a quart of 2050?
Northside coolin' shorty, yeah, that's where I stay. Heard you was a lame boy, get up out my face. And my ex keep calling, swear that shit be
Check it out. Which barber school did you rob, yo?
Please, bro.
Yo, what Slavic wedding did you find this at? What old head left this behind, yo? Oh, yo, let me see the form on that. Let me see the form on that. Yeah, you have to put one arm right here, right here. There you go, there you go.
Perfect.
Yo, if you miss one shot today, I'm firing you, bro.
Since the boot up is like, what's fast? The boot up is like 4
Alright, we just got here, and time to get teched up and get inside to go drive. The battery's in the back? I don't. Yeah, it's just right here in the back.
Yeah, I'll watch the battery cable.
It's almost 1 already, so to save time, I'm probably just gonna do a montage from here on out of me drifting with the boys. But yeah, should be fun. Got a bunch of good drivers here and a bunch of drivers you can actually tandem with, so I'm pretty stoked. Fingers crossed, no one boofs it too hard. We have a good time. Let's go. Gotta warm up the tires. Buddy, buddy.
A little. There's a little, some sauce.
Buddy is on me, bro. How's your car? Overheating? That's the only reason I straightened out is I looked down at my dash and it was on H, like straight up on H. Ah, I see.
I'm trying to keep it chill because I have no cooler.
No, my temps were high when I pulled off. Yeah, that's why I straightened out to that one. I was like, oh heck no, like, cause that back straight is
fun, bro.
older. That was good. That was good. Good laps, bro. Yeah, for first time out together, not bad. Da ladna.
Your tires are smoked too.
Yeah, they're cooked, bro. They weren't new though, so. Every time I take this car out, I always let someone drive it. This guy on the roster, Arturi.
I don't think I haven't driven this after supercharged, did I?
You drove it supercharged, not tuned.
Not tuned.
And then it was slammed, so the geometry of the suspension wasn't the same.
Funky.
Yeah. It doesn't have any wheel shake or anything now, so you're chilling. Alright, let's see what he's about.
It's funky.
It's like a GoPro.
It kind of understeers too much.
It does. These fronts are understeering today specifically. It's fun to throw around.
Tonight, you know it's all your fault. No, I don't want to say no. I'm breaking down the door. Don't make me go, no. I just want to hold you. I need no control, no. Would you let me love you? Me love you. It's all over. I lost my composure. I got love to show you. Will you let me love you? Love you, baby.
Don't stop.